Hello guys and girls, today we're working on another one of our new sight words. Has anybody been practicing and know what this word is? This is the word look. Let's say that together 3 times. You ready? Look, look, look. We're going to do some practice. We're going to pull and spell it and slide and say it like we did the other day with the word it. Okay, so we're going to do that together. You're going to watch me. I'm going to pull each letter down as I spell the word, and then I'm going to slide my finger under it. We're going to say it together. So you help me. Everybody ready? Let's pull it and spell it. L-O-O-K. Now we're going to slide and say, look. Good job. Let's do that again. We're going to do it 3 times. Let's do it again. We're going to pull and spell. L-O-O-K. And we're going to slide and say, look. Good job. One more time. Ready? L-O-O-K. Look. Good job. We're going to be practicing that word some more as we keep learning these new sight words, but today we're going to do a lot of different things with it. You've got a worksheet. It's got all sorts of different things for us to do with the word look. So I want you to get this out and get your name on the top. And then we're going to work through it together. You will need some crayons. You will need your pencil. We're going to do all sorts of different things. We're going to look at the word look in every way possible. Get some crayons out here and ready. All right. I'm going to give you till I count my fingers down from 10 to get your name on the top. All right, are we ready to go? It says, bee, bee, bumblebee, can you learn this word with me? What is this word? We just practiced it. Let's read it. Ready? Look. Let's spell it and say it. Ready? L-O-O-K, look. Let's do that again. L-O-O-K, look. Good job. So that was our first thing. We read it. What do you think we're going to do in this box? We're going to write it. Let's get our pencil. We're going to write it. Let's spell it out loud while we write it. Ready? L-O-O-K, look. Good job. All right, next we're going to clap it. We're going to see how many syllables or word parts we hear in this word. So let's clap the word look. Everybody ready? Look. Let's do that again. Look. How many times did we clap? 1. The word look has 1 syllable. So we're going to color in the 1. What do you think we're going to do in this box? We're going to color it. I'm going to rainbow color mine. I'm going to color each letter a different color. So L, O, O, K, look. If you need to push pause while you finish coloring, you can do that and hit play when you're ready to keep going. We're going to keep going. And in this box, we're going to trace the word look. Let's spell it as we trace it. L-O-O-K. Look. In this box, we're going to spell it. We're going to put 1 letter in each letter box. L is a tall letter. O, those are short. And lowercase k is a tall letter. L-O-O-K, look. Alright, down here, we're going to find it. So we're going to need a crayon again, and we're going to see how many places we see look in these boxes. Is that word look? No. Is that word look? Yes, L-O-O-K. This one. Yep, that's look. got a K. It's got an L, but does it have L-O-O-K? No. Not this one. Nope. There were 1, 2, 3 boxes that had the word look in them. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to tell it to somebody. So I want you to find somebody in your house and go tell them what this word is. I'm going to tell Miss Tracy. Miss Tracy, our word today is look. Alright, so I'm going to write that I told Miss Tracy our word. I want you to write the word of who you told at your house. Could be your mom, your dad, your grandma, your papa, your brother, your sister, your dog, your cat, your hamster. So you write the name of who you told our new word. Alright. I'll talk to you all later.